Alright, so with this truck it's pretty easy. Basically you can tap in the power here, you're going to have ground right down there. Much easier than my model of truck. So I'm going to start by pulling that line through and up. Make sure that it clears everything and doesn't get against something really hot. Okay, so we are ready. Wiring is done. Got it all nice and finished up. Control box is right down in there, tucked in, nice hiding little spot. So now we are ready to run the wires. Part of what takes so long is making the plan for where the wires are going to go, where they're going to end up, making sure they don't get mixed up in linkages or pinch points or anything like that. So we've got them wired up. As you can see, they're working. Miss Nikki's checking things out. Now it really just comes to the fun part. I've got a plan of attack for where I want the lights to be, how I want them to be. So we're just going to get busy installing. Alrighty, finally finished up with the outside lights anyway. Got it all bundled up, everything looks good, wires are running good, lights are looking good, they're going to be nice and bright, cool patterns to them. Now we're going to move inside. Now I'm not going to make a mistake this time and do any shot calling, say it's going to be easier, none of that business. But we will make it happen. Okay, this was a test, but it is completed and I think it's good. I think everything's looking good. Had to work with some of the placement on where it was all going to end up, but I think in the end it came out nice. See?
Goosebumps every time you come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those comments, I'm way too numb, yeah. It's way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. I need that hype, throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, when you throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. 713 through the 21, yeah, I'm riding. they on me? Why they on me? I'm flying, sipping low key. I'm sipping low key and honest, riding, riding. I get those goosebumps every time you come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those times, I'm way too numb, yeah. It's way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. I need the Heimlich, throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you got around, when you throw that to the side, yeah. When I'm pulling up right beside you, pop star Lil Mariah. When I text stick game wireless, throw a stack on the Bible. Never Snapchat or took Molly. She fall through plenty, her and all her guineas.